What's going on, YouTube? Official Keith here. Just wanted to drop a quick video to show you guys the first accessory, not mod, but accessory that I've purchased for the car, which is this guy right here. This is a window and vent mounting kit. So you can mount your cell phone either using a vent or a window. And I've never heard of this brand, but at the same time, I've never used window, or I've never had my phone mounted in my previous cars, as I felt I didn't have a need to. But I figured until my backup camera and front camera solution gets into the car, this will work for me, and I'll just use my phone. Remember, folks, use what you have. Don't try to be catching up with the Joneses or nothing. But anyway, this is the brand, and it wasn't nothing special about this brand that made me pick this up, other than going to the place that I really don't like to shop at, which is Walmart. This bad boy was regularly $19.99, and they have them on clearance for $5. So if you're needing an emergency mounting kit, these are $5. And then I think in most Walmarts, they're going to be in the lock case because of the price that they started at, or just because these are some hot items. So I'm going to go ahead and mount this and use it until I get a different solution. But anyway, I just wanted to drop this video. Walmart has these for $5. If you need something like this, or if you've broken your really nice one and you just need that backup unit, this would be a nice replacement unit. As always, thanks for taking some time out to watch my videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. And just remember, you're now official, and we'll see you later.